Hello everyone, my name is Sarah and I'm an esthetician at the Pottstown Lords and Ladies, and I am here today to talk to you about rosacea. It is a skin condition that affects 1 in 10 people. I am one of the 1 in 10. It is characterized by redness of the face that looks almost like a sunburn or an irritation. You can have papules and pustules, which are little red bumps that can go over your face, and it can be confused for acne and sometimes eczema. So some of the things that you can do for rosacea, I would definitely recommend going and seeing an esthetician and seeing what recommendations they may have for your specific skin, and definitely getting a facial as well. That can also often help see how far along it is, or if it definitely looks like this is something that you have. Usually symptoms of rosacea show up around your 20s to 30s, sometimes as late as your 50s. Some of the treatments that we offer at Lords and Ladies Salon, we can do chemical peels. We have a mandelic peel that will help increase your skin cell turnover, which helps reduce some of the redness. Also, the hydrofacials that we offer, there are boosters that you can use that can help reduce some of the irritation that occurs with rosacea, and in some cases can help reduce the redness. We also have our main office. We have an esthetician there named Donna. She's our one of our head estheticians. She offers laser treatments. I have gotten them done. I needed about, I went for 6 to 8 treatments for it, and then every 6 months I go and get another, almost like a booster treatment. The laser treatments are nice. They're not as scary as they may sound. It almost feels like a rubber band snapping during the treatment itself, and then afterwards it feels like a mild sunburn for about a day, and she will send you home with aftercare that can help heal and soothe that. Some products that would work really, really well for rosacea sufferers, I usually recommend using a mild cleanser. You don't want lots of acids that are irritating to your skin. So I usually recommend our anti-rougers cleanser. This is a great everyday cleanser. I use this one in the morning, and then since I need something a little bit more aggressive at night, I use our oil-free gentle gel cleanser to help remove my makeup as well. These two are really, really nice, and they're very, very rosacea friendly. Aven is a fantastic brand, and they have a lot of products that work very, very well for rosacea and anyone with sensitive skin. Another product that I absolutely recommend is our Elastin Regenerating Skin Nectar. This works really, really well to help rebuild that barrier that rosaic skin tends to lose. Anyone with rosacea will tell you that they have very, very sensitive skin. It's because you have a very compromised barrier, so that helps soothe that and help rebuild that barrier so it's not constantly so sensitized. And then the number one thing that I would recommend is All Calm. It's by a brand called Color Science, and it is a physical SPF, so it's going to sit on top of your skin to help reflect the sun rays away so that your skin is not absorbing them and then holding on to them. It has niacinamide in it, which is going to help calm and soothe. It also has vitamin B in it, which is also going to be moisturizing and calming to the skin, and even a bit of a green tint to it so that it can help block that redness. It works great by itself, or you can even use it as a makeup primer. I would also recommend a vitamin C. See your esthetician, see which one she recommends it works best for you. Everybody's skin responds a little bit differently to each of them. I personally like Revision's vitamin C, which I am currently out of. Some other things that can irritate rosacea, water temperature. When you are washing your face, make sure you're doing it in lukewarm water. I'd recommend that for anyone, but especially for rosacea sufferers. Spicy foods can sometimes irritate it. Severe heat, severe cold will also irritate the skin as well and just make it flare up. So use caution and use your best judgment with what you can in your day-to-day life. We have really hot summers and really cold winters, so it's really, really hard to avoid either. But some of these steps should definitely help with some of the redness reduction and also some of the reduction from irritating your skin as well. All of your estheticians are here. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. Also, just as a side note, we also have a dermatology office as well, that can recommend medications as well if your rosacea is beyond treatment from an esthetician or lasers. I see them, they are amazing, and they have me on my necessary prescriptions for my skin. All right, thanks everyone, and have a great night.